Hi guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I tried. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I am a fashion freak, luxury lover, shopaholic. This is like my third or fourth. This is my like sixth Chanel purchase in the past month. I should really slow down. We are going at a rapid pace. So I love to talk luxury fashion, clothes, shoes, bags, handbags, all that kind of things. So if that's something you're interested in, please smash that like, subscribe button right now. Smash it. And stay tuned. Today we're gonna be doing a quick Chanel unboxing. I got some more goodies for you guys. Here we go. Without further ado, here we are. I got a couple more things from Chanel from my essay. So I have two fashion advisors, one at each store, which has been great and really, you know, because like some stores get some stuff, so they stores get the other things, and I can't really get both. Stores can't send it to each other anymore. They used to be able to send items to another store, but now they don't really do that anymore. So you have to kind of, well, no correction. They send certain items to other stores, but not usually bags or leather goods. I don't think they send them between stores. You just kind of have to wait for your store to get it, or go to the other store, or buy it from the other store and then have them ship it to you or ship it to your store. They can look it up in the system anywhere in the country. If you're looking for a particular item or a particular bag or like leather goods, or they can look it up and they can see if it's at any of the Chanel locations in the US, any of the Neiman Marcus's, Saks, Bergdorf, whoever else might have it. And I think they can have it sent to you if you buy it like through the pay by link, but sometimes it doesn't work. I had my fashion advisor, I wanted to get a pillow, the CC Chanel pillow. They didn't have it at the Robertson store, but they had the Beverly Hills store. So I wanted to get that, but they wouldn't let me. They didn't have it at one store, but they had it at the other. We ordered it, he sent me a pay by link, and I put in my info, my credit card info, and sent it and agreed, and it would only be charged if they accepted it, but it gets sent to the other store, and the other store has to agree to let go of that item, either if they have it or, you know, and they might not let it go because maybe they don't have it, maybe someone else is holding it, or, you know, whatever other the reasons there could be. But if they have it and they want to give it, then they will. But since Chanel now works by sales by store instead of working sales commission per person, like the sales associate doesn't get a commission, it's like they need a goal for the store commission for them all to get a bonus instead of like the sales associate getting a bonus. That means that like they don't, I feel like it means that they don't want to actually like let go of items in their store to another store to sell, because they know that that store will get the commission and it'll go towards their sales goal and not towards the store that it came from. That being said, there are some rings that I looked at, and I could probably pop in a video of them here. I looked at a bunch of the rings. They'll transfer from other stores because there's so limited sizes and quantities and styles. So they transferred it from one store to another store so that I can look at it. They sometimes make you purchase it, but sometimes if you want to just look at it, they'll do it. With leather goods, as far as I understand with leather goods, they will not transfer it. So you have to just wait for it to come into your store. So that's why I have that, among other things. Obviously, I just like to shop my book, but I have, you know, a fashion advisor at both the stores. So when one of them gets some things, they'll tell me, and if the other one gets them, then I'll tell them. And I've told both of them about each other, so they know. So I'm not like cheating on either of them when I'm like, hey, look, they have it in stock, it's available, and since you can't transfer it to you for me, I'm gonna just buy it from them. And so these came in. My fashion advisor texted me and said that they came in, sent me a photo of everything they had, and I was like, oh yes, I need all of these. And I wasn't able to go in the store, so I just bought it over the phone, which was great, because we have a relationship now, it was a lot easier. And I knew that they were going to be sold because these items go like that, and they go so quickly, and you have to wait. Sometimes you have to wait for like months. One of the other things I bought from my fashion advisor, like last week, I'll link the video here or down below or something like that, where I bought the same thing. It was like 4 years later that I got the same thing. I'd waited like a long time to get the same item that I had lost. I had lost the card. It was the Chanel card holder in lambskin, and I lost it. And so it was like 4 years later that I bought a new one. Anyway.
I'm talking a lot, but.
Yeah, so as soon as she told me that they had them in, I called her. I told her which ones I wanted, and she let me buy them over the phone. Also, as I said in my other video, Chanel limits you to one small leather good and one bag per month. So I had just bought, but they make exceptions, and luckily I was fortunate enough to be allowed an exception because I bought the last two items that are in my other video as gifts, and I bought them at the end of last month. So when I wanted to get stuff this month, my month was clear, but I wanted to get 3 things, and so she had to get permission from her manager to let me get 3 things. And by the time she got that permission, one of them had already sold, so I ended up only getting 2 things.
She actually texted me later
and said that the third thing hadn't sold, but then at that point I got the text later, and then by the time I responded to her, it was gone. because these things go so quickly. Like they literally go so fast. So if you see something and you want it, get it. If you know it's available, go run to your store and get it, because they don't stay in that long, and it takes like weeks and weeks and weeks for them to come back. And if you really want it, maybe months. It takes a long time for them to come back. So if you want it, go get it. Anyway, into the unboxing. Here we're going to be unboxing 2 little boxes. I've got 2 boxes for you guys to unbox. These are also both presents that I got for other people, because as I've said in my Goyard unboxing videos, I love giving Goyard presents. I also love giving Chanel presents.
Because who doesn't want
to open a Chanel? I mean, these make great presents, especially at the price point that they're at. I think Chanel, Hermes, Goyard are great presents to make. Goyard is obviously a little more expensive because I like to give the tote, Saint Louis tote, which is a little more expensive price point to give gifts. So those are for my special gift friends. Hermes, like there's so many things you can gift at Hermes that are great. And who doesn't want to get a little orange box as a present?
Everyone wants to get a little orange box as a present.
Who doesn't want to get a Chanel bag as a present?
Everyone wants to get a Chanel bag as a present.
Right? Who doesn't want to get a little black box from Chanel as a present? These are both presents. So I'm going to unbox them delicately because I'm going to have to rebox them. And if you are the person that's getting this present and watching this video, sorry. But I want to do an unboxing of them because, you know what? But I want to do unboxing anyway. So we have 2 little Chanelos. Hello, Chanelo. Hello, Chanelo. Hello, Chanelo. Chanelo! So I got 2 little buddies here. So I'm gonna be super very careful when I unbox these because I gotta put them back. I'm gonna try not to break the ribbon. So let's get into it. So I got 2 small little presents. Am I gonna be able to do this right? I did it last time. Yeah, okay. Just gotta keep it like, you know. Oh, up close so you can see them. Zizz, zizz. The things we do for our YouTube channels, right? I'm trying to build this channel, so please share this with your friends and family and anyone that's interested in luxury fashions, things like that. And hit that like and subscribe and share button because it would really help. Just gonna put that down properly, making sure it's still in good condition. So I don't know which one's which, so we're gonna do this one first. Oh, it's right here. You got the tag. Oh, the tag is attached. And we got the you know, info booklet telling you all the info about the product. And then we got the beautiful. These are like so hard to come by and like few and far between. So when you get them, get it and hold on. I actually saw another one of these at Neiman's today, but because I don't really have a good relationship there and I haven't actually bought anything, and I walked in with this bag, she was like, did you already buy something this month? And I was like, yeah. And then she was like, yeah, you can't get anything more this month. And I was like, no, that's fair. What I didn't do, which was stupid because I was with my friend, is just have him buy it. I got this as a present, so I'm gonna present it now, and then when I want it for myself, I'll get it later. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take that out. So it is the black card holder with the gold hardware in the Caviar Quilted. So I like this one a lot better for personal use because I had the lambskin one and it got roughed up really quickly on the sides and edges. And as we all know, lambskin gets roughed up. And this is just like, I mean, obviously it's more durable, so it's like you know, it's a little less worry-free, and you can just throw it in, especially a card holder that's going to be like thrown into your bag or like slipped into your pocket a lot. You want it to be a little more durable, so it's the Caviar Quilted Durable Card Holder in black. It's got the gold hardware. It's got 2 pockets in the back, 1 on the front, 1 in the middle. The authenticity cards here in the middle. And then we've got made in Italy, Chanel, and the burgundy lining inside. And the 2 pockets, 1 has the little number on it. Where is it at? There it is. And like, you know, that's pretty much it. It's great. It's lovely. It's so, you guys, it's so luxurious. It's like, it feels so nice. It's like, you know, I know that we talk about the quality is not that great, but like this is a great quality product, I think. It retails for $425 in the US, which you can see that online on their website. There's nothing surprised there. I'm really excited. Well, I'm really excited to give this away, but really excited to get one for myself soon. Wish I would have got that one at Neiman's. I was dumb. Dumb, Maya. Well, next time, hopefully, maybe I'll go back tomorrow with my friend and see, because they might still have it. You know, I'm gonna text her and just say I'm gonna have my friend do it. Let me see what she says. Here's number dos. I would like, if I could keep that one for me, I would, but I gotta get this present sooner. I don't know if there's gonna be another one to get, unless I go back tomorrow and get it. Otherwise, I would keep that one for me and then present later. Present number 2. But yeah, like I said, these make great presents. So like, I would even like stock them up as presents. Like just like every time you can get a hand on them, especially in a color that you want, or like, I think black obviously is best to go for presents because it's just neutral and classic Chanel. You could get a color if you know the person very well, or if you know they're gonna like that color. If you know they're gonna like that color and it looks beautiful, I would get a color. But as a present, unless I really know they're gonna like the color, I would rather just get black because I know it's like timeless and classic and everyone's gonna like it. Or almost everyone's gonna like it. Or whatever. 14 days they can go and exchange it for something else. Because I did get gift receipts too. So I give them a receipt too. Anyway, I'm going to France later anyway, so maybe I'll get them there if I don't get them here. Okay, number 2. Same shit. Different box. Got another one. Got a different card holder. So this one, you got the flap one, the Caviar Quilted Classic flap with the silver hardware. So it's like a little wallet. It opens up with a snap closure. It's got one card pocket in the front, burgundy lining inside, kind of like a bigger thing, which is great because you could keep more than just cards in here. You can fit your keys. You could probably fit, you know, like a little lipstick or chapstick or, you know, a couple of essentials. Maybe maybe an AirPods. You can fit an AirPods in here. I mean, it opens up pretty big. It wouldn't open up all the way, I don't think, if you want to snap it, but I could try filling it up and see what goes inside, but it is a present. And then you got a back card holder, card slot. And we got the little authenticity card in here. It's all, and then the tags. This retails at $5.50, so a little more expensive, but no. I mean, it's basically a nice little wallet. I mean, you could use this as a wallet. It's a card holder, but you could use it as a wallet. You could fit all your cards in here, and then some cash. You put cash in the front. I mean, cash in the big slot. Couple cards here and a couple cards here, and you're done. Bam. Easy access cards, more important cards inside. Yeah, and again, Caviar quilted because I'm all for that durability. There it is again. So I'm gonna present this as well. I'm a really good present giver, don't you guys think? I think so. Oh man, I did not realize how weird my hair looks. Too late! We're recording that shit again. Because this was so long and so hard to do. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed these unboxings. If you have any questions about these products or Chanel or anything like that, please leave them in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them. I am learning more. I am learning more for you guys. I am building this channel with you guys. So tell me what you want to see, what you want to hear, what you want me to go buy next. All of that leave in the comments below. And I'm so looking forward to continue to grow this channel with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you like this video, please smash that like button and or consider hitting that subscribe button. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family. If you hated it, please share it with your enemies and your bosses. Okay, and that's all right? Until you guys see you in the next one. Mwah!